what's inside your art kit. You have paints, 3 powdered paints, you just add water. A black and a white paint. And this looks like paint, but it's plaster, and you can tell it's plaster because it has a star on it. Again, you just add water, and it's great for adding texture to some paintings. These, they're not sprinkles, they're water beads. Again, just add water, wait for an hour, and you'll have wonderful water beads. A container full of glitter. An ink pad. Again, you'll have a different color maybe, but an ink pad that you can use either with your fingers or with sponges or stencils that you make out of the box. Pom-poms. Embroidery floss. You can make friendship bracelets, you can do string painting. There's a whole bunch of different things that you can do with embroidery floss. For tools, we have a paintbrush and a foam brush. We also have a wooden stick and some toothpicks for scratch art or dot painting, pointillism. You have a roll of washi tape, which you can use for tape resist art or just to decorate. You have a pipe cleaner. You have a straw. The straw, along with the water beads, could be used for like marble painting or blow art. We have this wire, and this wire goes with a wire image or a line drawing that is in your kit. It will probably be a different one than this. It might be the horse though. We have several different ones. And these are for Picasso inspired art that you can do wire sculptures with. You have crayons. Crayons are for the scratch art as well as for coloring. Googly eyes, because any good art kit has googly eyes. And then you have a bunch of different papers. So we have the art kit itself and what it has inside of it, with some ideas and websites for you to find stuff. On the back is even more for you to learn how to use the box for some new projects and ideas, as well as how to follow along with us and our tutorials. But then inside of that, you have some foam, craft foam. You have some tissue paper, some cellophane, so you can see through, maybe create some colored art. Construction paper and craft art paper, like for watercolors and painting. It's nicer paper. You also have a health and wellness resource sheet in here. And then let's not forget the box. The box itself is part of your kit. It didn't just contain it. You can use it as a picture frame. You can use it as a canvas. You could paint the box outside or inside, or cut it up and build with it. So this kit, every part of it can be used.